Castor oil remedies. Castor oil has been used as a natural immune booster and healing aid by parents and grandparents who, at first sign of illness, would give their children either topically or internally. And what is even more intriguing is that lots of people still use this oil for skincare, cosmetics, and healthcare. But what is this castor oil though? How could oil be used with so many advantages? What effects do we experience from using it? In this video, we will provide answers to these questions. But to ensure that you don't miss our upcoming videos, make sure you have subscribed to our YouTube channel. And before we go any further, don't forget to like and comment on this video. What is castor oil? Castor seeds, also known as castor beans, are the source of castor oil, a non-volatile fatty oil. Africa, South America, and India are the primary growing regions for the castor oil plant. Castor oil is used in numerous cosmetic, hair, and skincare products because studies have shown that it contains therapeutic components. These various compounds can help stabilize the texture and consistency of products. According to reports, taking this oil internally is safe. Following ingestion, pancreatic enzymes break it down in the small intestine, releasing glycerol, ricinoleic acid, and other healthy metabolites. Here are some of the advantages of castor oil. Number 1. Improves immune function. The fact that castor oil supports the body lymphatic system is one of the main factors contributing to its potent immune boosting effects. The lymphatic system, which is distributed throughout the entire body in tiny tubular structures, plays a crucial role in absorbing and eliminating extra fluid, protein, and waste from our cells. Blood flow, thymus gland health, lymphatic drainage, and other immune system processes may all benefit from the use of castor oil. Because the lymphatic system affects the digestive, circulatory, and immune systems as well, the oil is occasionally used to promote heart health and treat conditions like constipation. Number 2. Boosts circulation. Proper blood flow and a healthy lymphatic system go hand in hand. Circulatory problems are much more likely to occur when the lymphatic system malfunctions. This is because blood and lymphatic fluid levels are optimally maintained by direct interaction between the lymphatic circulatory system and the cardiovascular circulatory system. Castor oil's capacity to positively affect our lymphatic systems results in better overall circulation and a health boost to major organs like our hearts, because according to the National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute, a growing body of evidence reveals that the lymphatic system influences the health of multiple organs, including the heart, lung, and brain. Number 3. Moisturizes skin and boosts wound healing. As long as you use pure oil that is 100% pure, castor oil is completely natural and free of synthetic chemicals, but it is also a rich source of skin beneficial nutrients like fatty acids. Since it stops water loss, applying this oil to dry or irritated skin can help to reduce dryness and keep it well moisturized. Due to its moisturizing, antimicrobial, and antibacterial qualities, it can also aid in the healing of wounds and pressure ulcers. It blends well with additional components like almond, olive, and coconut oils, each of which has special skin-friendly properties. Number 4. Can help induce labor. A well-known natural method for starting labor is castor oil. It has been taken orally for centuries by full-term pregnant women to quicken uterine contractions. In fact, it is one of the most widely used drugs used to start labor outside of a medical setting. According to studies, the ricinoleic acid in castor oil can activate EP3 prostanoid receptors in the uterus, which is why it can work to induce labor. According to some animal studies, the active ingredients in the oil bind to the molecules that cause the muscles of the uterus and intestines to contract. Number 5. Helps dry, irritated, sunburnt, or acne-prone skin. Castor oil functions similarly to coconut oil as a natural antibacterial agent to improve skin health. Additionally, it works well as an all-purpose skin moisturizer and an anti-inflammatory acne treatment. You must address the root of the issue if you want to permanently get rid of acne. A fantastic natural home remedy for acne is castor oil. While simultaneously softening and hydrating irritated skin, it fights bacteria overgrowth that can clog pores as it penetrates deeply into the skin. Number 6. Acts as a laxative to relieve constipation. When consumed orally, castor oil acts as a mild stimulant laxative that is natural. It can ease constipation, lessen straining while urinating, and improve the sensation of a full evacuation following a bowel movement. Its active component, ricinoleic acid, is released into the intestine and aids in digestion, nutrient absorption, and systemic cleansing. It facilitates bowel movement by increasing the movement of the muscles that push material through the intestines. Number 7. Lowers symptoms of arthritis. Natural remedies for arthritis, pain, joint swelling, and inflammation frequently include castor oil. Its all-natural anti-inflammatory qualities make it the perfect massage oil for sore muscles, joints, and tissues. Research has even shown that topical application of ricinoleic acid, the primary component of castor oil, exerts remarkable analgesic and anti-inflammatory effects. Castor oil capsules were tested in a randomized, double-blind, and comparative clinical study to see how they affected knee osteoarthritis symptoms. Number 8. Helps to encourage strong, shiny hair. What benefits does castor oil have for hair? Castor oil may help your hair grow faster, thicker, stronger, and shinier, just like coconut oil does for your hair. It can also detangle hair and is even employed in the treatment of hair felting, a condition in which tangled hair hardens into a stony mass. Does castor oil promote hair growth? It might aid in accelerating hair growth because it can enhance blood flow to your follicles. For this reason, some people use it on their eyelashes and eyebrows in addition to their head hair. Keep in mind that castor oil is a non-volatile fatty oil produced from the seeds of the plant which produces castor beans. It can be applied topically and used internally for a brief period of time in small doses. Castor oil can be used to treat constipation, aid in wound healing, prevent skin ulcers, moisturize dry skin, lessen joint and arthritis pain, and even help trigger labor naturally. Additionally, it promotes hair growth, prevents infections of the scalp, and makes hair shinier. What about you? Where would you use your castor oil if you have any? Please let us know what you think in the comment section below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more. We appreciate you watching the video all the way to the end. Catch us in our next video.